Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What is up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change background of someone's photo using Adobe Photoshop CS6. So let's get started. Open a photo of someone you would like to use for this project. So when you open it, now I'll photo this person on the another background, something like that. Now we have to make selection of the area. Many people use quick selection tool because it selects so fast, but it doesn't select exactly what I want. So I'll use pen tool because with it I can select exactly what I want. Now select the person or the object. Now press right click and click on make selection. If you see this message, click OK. Now press W and then click on refine edge. Check smart radius and then increase the radius little bit. Now increase the size of your brush. And then brush over the hairs. Now click OK. Now press V and then drag the person or the object to the new background. Now press Ctrl and Command T to resize your photo. Now as you guys can see, we have changed the background of the photo. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.